Who can tell, is this a mini showcase PC case or a desktop speaker? This is the new Edifier Huazai Showcase speaker. It doesn't look like a normal speaker, it has a strong mechanical design. The 2.8-inch screen on the front can show the time, lyrics, and PC stats. You can also set your own text, pictures, and themes. The fan lights on the top and side, plus the light strips, turn on with the speaker. But it's not just about the look. It has a 2.1 speaker system and a 4-inch bass driver, so the sound feels fuller and the bass is stronger. Now let's hear it and check the sound. It brings lights, sound, and useful features together. If you want to upgrade your desk setup and improve the audio experience, this speaker is worth checking out.